Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at a just beautiful 1967 Chevrolet Camaro RS rotisserie restored car, guys. Beautiful car. Really nicely done in a good car. Hits the road good, nice and tight. It's got the factory Marina blue metallic paint on it. When I say factory, it's original color. It's been repainted. I believe most of the interior is actually original. It's got the original, I think we call that medium blue vinyl interior. Killer car, great stance. I mean, a show car. Put mirrors underneath. It's all body color underneath. Really nicely done. Set of American Racing chrome wheels. You can see it's got the cowl hood, front and rear spoilers. Great look. Good running small block 350, air, four-wheel disc brakes, and really a nice car. Of course, it's a real RS car with the hideaway front headlights. They all work. And a pretty car, guys. Very nicely done. It's got the white hood and deck stripes on it. Car's got a great look. Chrome and stainless is nice. It's got a real good sound. Pretty car. And again, I believe most of that interior is actually original on the car. Pretty paint. Couple little blemishes. Not a whole lot to really pick on this car. Really nothing you'd mess with. It's turnkey. Go have some fun. Sits good. Great sounding Flowmaster exhaust system on it. Brand new wheels and tires. Four-wheel disc brakes. Again, really put mirrors underneath the thing. It's all body color underneath. Good running 350, guys. Double hump heads. It's got a Holley Dominator aluminum intake on it. Dual feed 4-barrel. It's got the stock exhaust manifolds, power steering, power four-wheel disc brakes. It's got Detroit speed wipers on it, air. You can see it's got all kinds of chrome and polished underneath the hood. Aluminum radiator. Finned aluminum valve covers. That car is pretty right there. And like I say, it's this detailed underneath it. It's got great sound. Gorgeous day today, a little sun shining. Yeah, you can nitpick. Like I say, I think that's the original A-pillar chrome. We'll set a record, I think, for temperature or something today. Good clean Door skins on it. Again, I think the interior on this car is original. Bucket seats, console. It's got a it's a tach and gauge car. You can see it's got that billet steering wheel. But I think the seats, I think all that stuff's original on this car. Showing 25,000. They say there's only a couple thousand miles on the car since a resto. Tach, gauges, Retrosounds radio, factory padded dash. Again, it's got Flowmaster dual exhaust. It is a 10-bolt. I can't remember the gear, guys. I'll make sure it gets in the ad. The older I get, man, my memory sucks. Nice car. It's all spackle coated. Let's try to do this without ripping out the lights. All spackle coated like it should be. And that's a pretty car right there. Good, solid, straight body, nice paint. Really cool car. And look at the bottom of this thing. Beautifully done. I'm going to stick this in right in the front window and put mirrors underneath it. Pretty car. Gauges are clean, steering wheel's nice. A little discolorization there on the console. You can see the little light in there works. The door handles have definitely been replaced. Got the dual chrome mirrors. Look at that. 8-pillar chrome mirrors. Great sound. Looks like a crisscross. Air works. Right there. Love those hideaway headlights in these cars. Nothing against the bug-out cars, but I think the hideaways are just killer. These cars. Back works. All the gauges down there functioning, Nathan. Looks like that. Yep. Doors open and close, nice. The outside lights, they're not ever hooked up. All those on. Great sound. Radio work?
Not getting the station.
Oh, okay. I don't think the clock's working. Oh, good oil pressure. Blower motor works. Again, doors open and close real nice. Functional hideaways. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram or our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Great way to keep in touch with us.